I am going to tell you about our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But first of all, please subscribe my channel and like it and share it with your friends. Let's start our topic. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is messenger of Allah. He was born on 12 Rabiul Awwal in 570 CE. His father's name is Abdullah, who died before his birth. His mother's name is Amina. She died when our Prophet was 6 years old. After that, he was brought up by his grandfather when he was 8 years old. His grandfather also died. Then he was brought up by his uncle Abu Talib. He spread peace and tranquility in all world. His life is ideal for all Muslims.